For the first time ever in the history of Kanchrapara District Association of Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, a district level cricket tournament, Scout Guide Unity Cup Cricket Fest of Kanchrapara is going to be held on 26th and 27th March 2022 at Workshop Stadium. 5 teams, which includes Thunderstorm, KPA Riders, Sparkling Agni, Fireball and Super Strikers were built through auction held on 12th March 2022. On a regular basis, the 5 teams are practicing very hard to achieve the Champions Trophy. This tournament will unite the members of Kanchrapara district in togetherness and keep the bonds alive in the years to come, and also will give a platform to showcase the cricket skills of our members. For this tournament, a theme song is made to encourage the participants to gather in diversity. This theme song is composed by Shri Rajan Roy, State Training Commissioner Scout, directed by Shri Nirmal Patra, Leader Trainer Cub, and instrumented in keyboard by Shri Somojit Roy, Scout of South Group. So now, let's enjoy the theme song of the tournament.
Come on, all let's play cricket. 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 क्रिकेट फेस्ट कंचरापारा की स्काउट गाइड यूनिटी कप कंचरापारा की गाए गीत क्रिकेट फेस्ट कंचरापारा की स्काउट गाइड यूनिटी कप कंचरापारा की चलो चले गुनगुनाए क्रिकेट फेस्ट की गीत गाए चलो चले गुनगुनाए क्रिकेट फेस्ट की गीत गाए Come on, all let's play cricket. 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 होगी भेंट सबसे अब मैदान में देखना है जोर कितना बाजुओं में होगी भेंट सबसे अब मैदान में देखना है जोर कितना बाजुओं में चलो चले गुनगुनाए क्रिकेट फेस्ट की गीत गाए चलो चले गुनगुनाए क्रिकेट फेस्ट की Come on, all let's play cricket. 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 Come on, all let's play cricket.